next setting is, let me delete this one here, delete this, is format on save, which is this option right here, this first one. So I'll click on that one. So what this allows is to make sure that all your code for whichever file you're working on will be automatically formatted as soon as you save it into your machine. Right? So you save the file and it will get all the formats. So that would, again, it will help you make sure that the code looks way better without you having to do a lot of work across your lines. And the last option setting that I will recommend you is this one in File Autosave. So as the name says, what this allows you is to automatically save whichever file you're working on without you having to do anything. So as soon as you finish typing your code, the file will be automatically saved to your machine. So I find that very handy to make sure that I never forget to save my files. So I'm just going to click on Autosave, and that will enable the setting. The last thing that I wanted to show you here is the Visual Studio Code Integrated Terminal, which is the one that you're going to use to type a bunch of commands across this learning pad. So let me go ahead and close this settings tab here. And to open the terminal, what you can do is either go to View Terminal, or you can go to Terminal, New Terminal, or you can use a few shortcuts. Like for instance, in the case of Windows, you can do Control tilde, that will open terminal, or let me kill this. You can also use Control J, and that will also bring up a terminal. So of course the shortcut keys will depend on your current operating system. Now as you can see, in this case this has opened a terminal, a PowerShell terminal in my case, and that's because that's a default for Windows. But you can always go ahead and use this drop down on the right side, right here. You can open up and you can switch to any other terminal that better suits your needs. So if you want to use Bash, you can use Git Bash here, you can use a standard command prompt, or you can switch to even an Ubuntu-based terminal. So it's really up to you what terminal to use. In this course, we'll be using mostly a PowerShell because that's what I mostly like to use, but it's up to you to use whichever terminal fits better your needs. In the next couple of lessons, we will define the concepts of monoliths and microservices, how they compare, and which are their pros and cons.